Hello, hello, hello. Let's have some basbousa, fruit jelly, and pistachio ball. Ito ang kanilang pistachio ball. So, let's have some tastes. Ayan o, full of pistachio nuts. Try natin. Nice. Ay, ingay ni Claire. Ito ang fruit jelly. Orange flavor. And the basbousa with cashew nuts. Nagpour ako ng konting simple syrup. Mainit-init pa. Ayan yung kanyang cashew nuts. Mas masarap pag mainit. Lahat ng sweets talaga nila dito. Sweets ang tawag, pero hindi siya matamis. So, until here, to the next food travel adventure. Thanks for watching. Bye!